Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to repair an Adobe Acrobat installation. So if Adobe Acrobat is crashing, freezing, failing to open PDFs, or showing unexpected errors, repairing the installation can replace damaged program files without fixing your documents. So actually guys, first you will need to open the Adobe Acrobat. And then just go ahead and click on the menu or the three lines that's located at the top left corner here exactly, and then navigate with your cursor to the help option here. So then you will find, or you will be able to see, a pop-up menu. So now just go ahead to the second last option. It says repair installation, and then just click it and click on yes if prompted, and then just wait for the repair process to finish. And after finishing, go ahead with the Windows right here, the power button here, and then just go with restart. So you will restart your computer and then just open Acrobat and check whether the issue is resolved. You can also repair the Adobe Acrobat using the Windows settings. So you will need just to press the Windows I keys or buttons on your keyboard, right? And then go to apps. So it's the fifth option, or the sixth one actually, on the left hand menu here, and then go with the installed apps. So here guys, you will need just to locate Adobe Acrobat, and if you can't see it, you can look for it using the search bar right here. Click on the three dots next to it and then go with modify, right? So now you will need to follow the on-screen prompts to repair the installation, and then just restart your PC after the process completes. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.